you see it? Luca, do you see it? See how good its camouflage is, everyone? Yeah, that's why it's just staying kind of still. That one is called a ruffed grouse. A lot of people around here, like your parents or grandparents, might call them prairie chickens.
But that's a rare one, right?
You don't see as many ruffed grouse here as you see sharp-tailed grouse. So slowly make his way away probably. So something that's kind of neat about where we saw him right here, I don't know, I'd have to get a better look, but I think it's a male, and right now it's the breeding season. So what males ruffed grouse will do, they'll find a dead log or a tree. So you guys see the big dead oak in front of us?
Yeah.
That grouse will sit on the tree and it'll hit its wings on its chest and it'll sound like this.
It's a really good imitation.
Have you ever heard that before, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
All the time.
So that's how they call in the females and defend their territory. So we might actually,
territory the log?
yeah, we might actually see this grouse throughout the next couple